Here is a distance from, this is the distance from the point on a parabola to a focal point. This is the distance. This is the distance from a point on a parabola to a focal point. And this is also a distance from a point on a parabola to the directrix. So the distance from a point on a parabola to a focal point equals the distance from a point to directrix. These equations are equal. Squaring both sides and simplify, this gives x minus h squared equals 4p y minus k. This is the equation of a parabola, either it is upward or opens downward. Here is an example. Given x squared equals 16y. State whether the parabola opens upward, downward, right, or left, and state the coordinates of the focus. Here is for p equals 16, where p is 4, comparing this equation to equation of the parabola, and the focal length is 4. Here is the form square x and the value for p is positive, then the parabola opens upward. This form of a parabola has its vertex at 0, 0. The focal length, the distance from the vertex to the focus is 4 units, and the focus is located at 4, 0. This is the equation of the parabola. This is the equation of the parabola. Its vertex is at the origin and opens upward, and this is directrix of the parabola, which is 4 units from the vertex. It is the vertex. This is the directrix of a parabola, and the parabola opens upward, and the focus is at point 0, 4. This is the focus of a parabola, and the distance from the vertex to a focus is p, which is 4, and the distance from the vertex to directrix is p, which is 4. This is all about the graph of the parabola of x squared equals 16y. Here is some important points. In the parabola is opens upward or downward, and the vertex is hk, and the focus is h, k plus or minus p. Directrix is y equals k minus or plus p. The axis of symmetry equals x equal to h. If the sign in front of P is positive, then the parabola opens upward. If the sign in front of P is negative, then the parabola opens downward. These are some important notes about the parabola, either it is opens upward or downward, depend on the sign in front of the P. Parabola x minus 3 square equals minus 8y minus 2. State whether the parabola opens upward, downward, right, or left, and state the coordinates of a vertex, the focus, and the equation of directrix. There is for P equals 8 and the value P is 2. Comparing that equation to this equation and the value of P is 2, the focal length is now is 2. And the value for P is negative. The parabola opens downward. This form of the parabola has its vertex 2. Here the vertex is 3, 2. The focal length is the distance from the vertex to the focus is 2. The focus is located at 3, 0, and the directrix is y equals 4. The directrix equals P plus K, which equals 4. This is the graph for this parabola. This is a directrix. This is the vertex of the parabola, and this is the focal point. This is the axis of symmetry which is passing through the x-axis, and this is the equation of the parabola. Question number 6. What is the area of the triangle formed by the line segments joining the vertex of the parabola? What is the area of the triangle formed by the line segments joining the vertex of the parabola? Here is the equation. This is the equation of the parabola. What is the area of a triangle formed by the line segments joining the vertex of the parabola, which is x equals minus 36y to the end point of the lattice rectangle. That is given. The parabola is x squared equals minus 36y. This is comparable to the standard form of the parabola opening downward. And you compare this equation to the given equation. The value of P is 9. The endpoints of the latest rectangle are minus 2p, p, minus 2p, minus p, and 2p minus p, which is the triangle connects 0, 0, minus 18, minus 9, this, and 18 minus 9. These are the endpoints of the latest rectangle. The base of the triangle is the latest rectangle AB. Using the distance formula, I can calculate the base of the triangle using this equation. The base is 36. The height of this triangle is the focal length, which equals 9, and the area of the triangle equals half times 9 times 36, which equals 162 square units. This is the diagram. This point is the end point of latest rectangle. This is also another end point of the latest rectangle. Here is the vertex of the latest rectangle, and this is the focal point of the parabola. Here is the vertex of the parabola. This is the focal point of the parabola. These 2 points are the end points of the latest rectangle. Using the distance formula, the length of the latest rectangle is the base of this triangle. The length of the latest rectangle, which is this length, equals the base of this triangle, the given triangle. So using the distance formula, calculating this base of this triangle, are the length of the latest rectangle is 4p. The value of p is 9. Multiplying by 4 gives 36. So the base of the triangle is 36, and the height is the focal length. The height of the triangle is the focal length, which is 9. Using the formula, the area of a triangle half of half times 9 times 36 equals 152 square units. This is the area of a triangle formed by the endpoints of the latest rectangle and the vertex of a parabola. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to get the next tutorial.